In many African communities, traditional knowledge is not written in books. It is lived, practiced, and passed down through generations.
Hello everyone. I have traveled from the city to this village. And in this video, we are going to learn how traditional soda soup is made using palm oil. This is a local method that has been practiced in many African communities for generations. So today, we are going to watch the step-by-step process from preparing the soda to the final soap. Thank you.
Behind this stage lies a great deal of effort. Large quantities of firewood are used to generate and sustain the heat required for the process. Here, within the heart of the village, a simple compound becomes a place of creation, where palm oil is transformed into something essential for everyday life. The process begins by carefully pouring palm oil from a rubber container into a metal pot placed over fire. As the flame rises, the oil is heated until it becomes hot and ready for use. Hundreds of rubber containers, once filled with palm oil, reflect the scale of production, a clear sign of how important this process is within the community. Once heated, the oil is transferred into an aluminum containers and left to cool slightly, preparing it for the next stage. After cooling, a measured portion is poured into a rubber bowl to carry it out to the mixing area. At this stage, a small amount of flour is added to the oil, a simple but important step that prepares the mixture. Then, soda liquid is gradually introduced. The mixer is held continuously as the ingredients slowly begins to combine. patience and steady efforts, the mixture thickens, transforming into a soft, moisture texture similar to corn dough. It is then left to rest briefly, allowing it to cool and settle. When it cooled and settled, it then continuously flattened. This softened and moistened its texture for the next stage. This process is not without risk. The heat of the mixture, combined with harsh nature of the soda liquid, can be dangerous to the skin. For protection, the hands are carefully covered before shaping begins. Finally, the mixture is shaped by hand into raw portions, forming traditional soda soap used in homes across the community. More than just a process, this is a reflection of heritage, a practice rooted in history, sustained by skill, and carried forward by those who continue to preserve it. This is the beauty of African village life, where tradition, resilience, and knowledge comes together to create something truly meaningful. As the process comes to an end, the finished soap is prepared for distribution. Commercial vehicles arrive to collect the products, carefully loading them in large sacks for transport. This moment reflects the value of the work. What begins as a traditional process within the village becomes product that serves communities beyond. From production to distribution, the cycle continues, sustaining livelihood and preserving a tradition that remains relevant to this day.
Maya infirme eduno eno ana me dia hwe me ma kakra na sese no my employee memo abe se be edu sese no aduma no tre na so esanse ya hoboa ni sha nti hia emwa titi ka asem ebi a bi pese ekọ no nti me nkọ enam ka asem nti nti sɛ nka aban bɛyɛ yɛ mmoa a yɛhia ka ɛna afei nso yɛsi kasɛm a yɛde tɔn no nso so ɛhyɛ nti ɛso afrɛ yɛ na musi nyinaa ɔnyɛ ayi nduru n'anim nti yɛsrɛ aban ne ahwɛfoɔ ankorankorɛ sɛ obi a ɔbɛhwɛ a n'ani gye wo ho yɛsrɛ na ɔnkɔyɛ mmoa.
Wow, the soap is strong, natural, and it can be used for bathing, washing clothes. It serves so many other purposes. Thank you for watching. If you love African village life and our tradition, please subscribe to Nature's Sun. We have more for you. Thank you.
Now,